In this video, I am going to show you how to accept payments on your Wix website for free. So let's see how we can do it. To accept the payments on this website, just open your Wix website editor, click on add elements from the left, search for PayPal, and here we will see an app PayPal button. So we are going to click on open. Now click on add to site, click agree and add. You can place this button anywhere on your website. I will add it to the other section of my website. So I am going to add it here. Now to do the settings of this button, just select the button and then click on settings. At first we have a button type. You can go for buy now, donate or subscribe. After that click on settings. Now to add your PayPal account, just select connect payment accounts. Now here you need to add your PayPal email. Click send me verification email, verify it from your email and your PayPal account will be connected with your Wix website. After that we have autoresponder email option as well. So if I select it and turn it on and then click on customize autoresponder email. So this email will send automatically to our customer when they will make a payment. So you can customize each and every aspect of this email from here. Like you can add your logo here, you can change this text and this text and this text also. And you can customize each and every aspect of this email. After that from the top just click on save. And after that you can set up your product from here. You can change this button text from here. Here you can add your product name, purchase option, product cost, product quantity, and we have other options as well for the products. After that you can also change the design of this as well. You can choose any template from here or you can customize it using these options. Once everything is done, from the top just click on save, and in this way PayPal will be added to your Wix website and you can accept payments on your Wix website for free. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.